All right, massive judgment coming in by the Pakistan Supreme Court, 5-judge bench. It is disqualified Nawaz Sharif as the Prime Minister, condemning Pakistan to big political turmoil as we speak. Sheetal Rajput, our senior editor, is joining us. Sheetal, this is just as massive as it gets.
Massive. It is massive. It is big. Shivani, Nawaz Sharif has been disqualified. The serving Prime Minister of Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif, has been disqualified as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. And now the question is, who is going to replace Nawaz Sharif? This was happening for a long time. The talk was there, the buzz was there that Nawaz Sharif will be disqualified, and the post would go to his brother Shahbaz Sharif. And there are other contenders as well, because Shahbaz Sharif is not a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan as of now. He will have to contest a by-polls, but this is huge, this is tremendous, this is really big. 2013, Nawaz Sharif became Prime Minister of Pakistan, and 2017 July, just 1 year before Pakistan goes to polls, Pakistan is going to polls again in 2018. 1 year before that, Nawaz Sharif is disqualified as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. We bring you this news, this information exclusive, first of all, on any Indian network. And what happens now, because criminal cases, the court has also ruled that the criminal cases have to be registered against Nawaz Sharif and his entire family, his two sons, Hussain Nawaz Sharif, Hassan Nawaz Sharif, his daughter Maryam Nawaz Sharif. Both the sons are businessmen, they are not active in politics. Hussain is in Jeddah in Saudi Arabia, Hassan is in London, both are pursuing business. Daughter Maryam Nawaz Sharif is the only political heir who is in Islamabad. She is the head of Pakistan Muslim League, Nawaz Sharif's party's youth wing. All of them are being under investigation, and Supreme Court has now ordered that criminal cases be registered against the entire family. This is tremendous. All of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz has gone into a huddle right now. They had been holding emergency meetings one after another, but now since the court has disqualified Nawaz Sharif, the big question now is who succeeds him. One contender is Khwaja Asif, who is the Defense Minister of Pakistan, considered to be extremely close to Nawaz Sharif. And the second contender, the prime contender, is Shahbaz Sharif, but he cannot immediately take over because he'll have to contest an election. He's not a member of Pakistan's National Assembly. But this is big, this is huge, and we will soon expect a press conference by Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz and also Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf's Imran Khan anytime now. Shivani.
Sheetal, just to put this in context for our viewers, this is of course after Panama papers came out and Nawaz Sharif's family was accused of amassing wealth and storing it offshores, linked to many offshore companies. Now he's been disqualified. So the Prime Minister will not complete his full term, and actually no civil Prime Minister has done so in Pakistan just 1 year before his term ends. Also, criminal proceedings are to be initiated against his entire family, including Nawaz Sharif. And his Interior Minister, Nisar Ali Khan, had said, Sheetal, that after the verdict, he's all set to quit.
Yes. That was a statement that had shocked everybody. That why did Chaudhry Nisar Ali Khan, who is the Home